how to turn on or turn off read caller names aloud on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. Now tap on answering and ending calls. Next in here, tap on read caller names aloud and tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you'll be able to configure to read caller names aloud to always or over Bluetooth and headphones only. After, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.